Hey everyone, welcome back to SS Engineers and Consultants. Today we're taking you on an exciting journey to discover how tomatoes go from farm to the delicious tomato paste you find in your kitchen. So let's dive right in.
Once the tomatoes are harvested from the farm, they make their way to this state-of-the-art processing facility. It's here where the magic happens.
First things first, the tomatoes go through a thorough washing process. The facility uses various methods like ozone washing and blanching to ensure they are squeaky clean and ready for the next step.
Now, the washed tomatoes are turned into pulp, and this is where the real transformation begins. A pulping or cutting machine comes into play, breaking down the tomatoes into a smooth and consistent pulp.
The pulp is then gently heated, and solid particles are separated using a screw pulper or extractor. This process ensures the tomato paste is of top-notch quality.
Next, the tomato paste undergoes pasteurization to make it safe for consumption. And here's where the magic of flavors happens. They are carefully added and mixed in a large tank.
When the paste reaches the perfect consistency and flavor, it's time to get it ready for you. The paste is packed, sealed, and labeled into convenient cans, ensuring its freshness and longevity.
And there you have it, the final product, ready to reach the market and make its way to different areas of the city.
Thanks for joining us today on this tomato adventure. If you enjoyed learning about the journey of tomatoes, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content like this.